have custom, we have code, survey, calendar, map, SVG, review section, right? Number counter, QR code, all of that. We also have pricing table. I don't really use it because I like the one that I create because that's really custom. And then we have countdown timer, we have minute timer, we have day timer, we have certain blocks, for example, navigation menu, which we're going to use, dividers, progress bar, image feature, and then some social icons, and then order elements for checkout payments. All of that is also widely added here. So you're going to see all of that here on the left hand side. Saved asset, in case you have saved any kind of sections, you're going to find it here. If you have any widgets that you want to install, you can get it here. Then you have buttons. I don't really don't like these because I want to create from my own. We have forms and surveys, which you can create from an existing surveys here. I have social media icons, which I also going to use. And then you have countdown timer. In case you've created some countdown timers, you're going to show up here. Images, if you want to add any of these, I don't really need. And then your progress bar to increase urgency. All right. Then we have layers. The layers are going to show what exactly goes on top of the page. For example, you have the page here itself, right? And then we have a pop-up. It doesn't show anything because the page is literally empty. Then we have pages, going to show all the pages that we have in this funnels. For example, you have a landing page, you have a landing page tutorial, which is the current one I'm working in. We also have a tracking code just in case your Facebook ads provider SEO guy has provided any kind of tracking code that you want to add in the header of this particular page or to the footer of this particular page. You can add it here and then save it right here. Then you have custom CSS. You're going to use it a bit because I have a few custom CSS which I'm going to add to this particular landing page to get those premium effects. So I'm going to add that here. And then we have typography, right? So we have by default at Montserrat for the headline, and then later for the content font, we're going to change that a bit as well. We have background where you can add background images, URLs, and colors. Again, we don't need for this particular one. We have pop-up in case you want to create pop-ups. Then we have SEO metadata that you can add SEO metadata here. So that's there, the preview custom code, and then we have cookie consent, and that's pretty much it. We're also going to do the desktop mode right here. Then we are going to do the mobile version here. So just make sure that you also follow up on the next tutorial if you want to learn how to do the mobile version. And then we have versions here, which is basically going to show you which version I'm currently editing on, right? And then we have some undo, redo, and then hide setting. This is basically where every section settings comes into picture.